In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make mind maps in MindNode. Whether you're planning a project, studying, or brainstorming, this walkthrough will get you from a blank canvas to a clear, organized map you can share. Start by opening MindNode. On a Mac, launch it from your Applications folder. On an iPad or iPhone, simply open the app. Create a fresh canvas by choosing New Document, usually the plus icon. You'll see a central node appear. That's your main idea. Keep this short and clear, like a project name or a single concept, so everything branches out logically. Now build your main branches, which act as your key categories. On a Mac, select the central node and press Tab to create a child node. Repeat this to add as many top-level branches as you need. On iPad or iPhone, tap the central node, then tap the plus button and choose Add Node, then Child Node. Think of these as the pillars of your topic, sections like goals, resources, tasks, or chapters. Next, expand each branch with sub-branches. Select a main branch and add a child node. On Mac, that's Tab again. On iPad or iPhone, use Add Node, then Child. Use these sub-branches for details, examples, and smaller tasks. You can repeat this as much as you like to create multiple levels of hierarchy. A good tip is to keep nodes to one idea each. It makes the map easy to scan. Personalize your map so it's both informative and readable. Open the inspector to adjust node settings like fill color to color code categories. Add visual cues with icons in the inspector. They're great for priority or status. If you're using the paid version, you can insert images via the inspector's image option. To change how connections look, go to the inspector's connections and adjust line width. When parts get busy, fold or unfold branches by clicking the small triangle next to a node, or use keyboard shortcuts to quickly hide or reveal details. As you think, rearrange freely. Drag nodes to improve the layout and create a flow that makes sense to you. Fold branches to focus on one area at a time and use focus mode to spotlight a branch and dim everything else. This helps reduce clutter and keeps your attention where it matters. When you're ready to share or store your work, save or export. On Mac, go to File, then Save, or choose Export to create a PDF, OPML, Markdown, or image. On iPad or iPhone, use Share, then Export, and pick PDF, Image, Text, or OPML. PDF is great for sharing, OPML or text for outlines, and images for quick snapshots. That's it, your mind map is ready. Happy mapping!